To assemble the small footprint stand, you first tighten the lock nut on the bottom of the stand post. Then you screw the stand post into the base of the stand. Use the large end of the included wrench and tighten. Position and secure the post stop onto the stand post. Next is to also secure the post clamp onto the stand post. Either opening may be used, and always make sure that the post clamp rests above the post stop. Tighten the nut on the end of the cross rod. Screw the cross rod into the lower back of the motor. Then use the small end of the wrench and tighten. Before plugging in the unit, ensure that it is powered off and the speed is turned down. Then lastly, insert the cross rod into the post clamp and tighten them.